Welcome back to Love Vegan and this Thai cooking series brought to you from Thailand. So we are in Sala, a 5-star hotel in Samui Island, one of the most popular destinations in Thailand. We're going to be making this week whatever dish pops up on the screen with the aid of Chef Chi from the hotel here, and she is going to teach us how to make this popular Thai dish. We're going to do a whole series of some of the most tasty, beautiful Thai dishes, completely vegan. So let's get on with it. So the ingredients for the papaya salad is some chilies, some peanuts, cashew nuts, cherry tomatoes, limes, a green papaya, carrots, long beans and garlic. So we're going to start chopping the beans into approximately 2-inch pieces and then just put them on a plate. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half. Next up, slice a lime into approximately 3 pieces. Then you need to shred a carrot. We've got a kiwi peeler. You're going to shred it into a bowl of cold water or ice water just to keep it crispy and fresh. So peel the papaya. And then again you want to shred it into a bowl with the carrots. So we're just talking here about how spicy we'd like it, how much chili to want in. So we're going to go for medium spicy, put in a couple of chilies into the mortar and pestle. And then we're going to pound this down until they're broken down. The garlic's also in here as well. Then we're going to add the chopped green beans. And then pound some more with the mortar and pestle. Next up, we're going to add 1 large teaspoon of palm sugar. And then 4 teaspoons of soy sauce. Next up, it's the juice from the lime wedges. We've put in 2 here. We found the Thai limes are very juicy. If your limes are not that juicy, feel free to put all 3 in. And then using a large serving spoon, pour the ingredients into the center of the bowl and then press. So you can see this motion I've got going here. Pull it into the middle, press, pull it, press, and just keep going until all the ingredients are kind of pressed, the flavors are released. And then just give it a taste to see how it is. See if you need to put any more soy sugar in. So next up, we're going to add all the nuts and the cherry tomatoes. And then we're going to add the carrots and papaya. So Chef Chi here is just taking them out of the cold water and making sure there's no ice cubes caught in the papaya and the carrots. So shake the water out and then just sprinkle them into the bowl with the other ingredients. And then next up, just mix all the ingredients together. You see this kind of technique I'm trying to do, flip it with a spoon and push it with the paddle here. I'll let Chef Chi show you how it's done properly. As you can see, she's got a great technique. So just mix it all up together. And then that's it. Taste test time to make sure everything is okay. This is one of these dishes with the perfect combination of flavors, and they all come out in layers one after another. So it's not like papaya salad has a taste, it's got so many layers of flavor just coming out. Absolutely perfect. It's one of my favorite dishes. So yeah, Chef Chi did a great job teaching me how to make this one. I thoroughly recommend making it. It's so easy and it tastes amazing. Thank you very much for watching this week's cooking video, and as you can see, this dish was super easy to make and I can guarantee it was incredibly tasty. If you want to see more on this Thai cooking class, click on the next video coming up. We'll leave full details of the Sala cooking class in the description box below, so if you're coming to Thailand, come to Samui, you can actually do this class yourself with Chef Chi. I guarantee you won't be disappointed with the results. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you like this video, and we'll see you next time.